Bless you. Bless you. Keep wiping your nose on your sleeve there, bud. Bless you.
He's really interested in the blue thing.
Yeah. Big smile.
Woo!
Doesn't spin very well, though. Maybe I need to get some hazardous chemicals on that. Playing with Froggy. Oh, he's too tired. Okay, buddy, we'll leave you alone.